Good morning, students. I am Navdeep Dhaliwal, faculty of Arya College of Engineering and IT, Electronics and Communication Department. So today we will discuss about high definition television HDTV. So to understand HDTV, these are my session outlines. So first I will explain you basics of HDTV, and then after we'll review brief history of HDTV, and then we will see the basic goal which is there with HDTV, and I will show you how development of HDTV have happened by Eureka as well as standards of Japan. So in Japan, NHK Muse system that have been deployed, and that is what I will discuss in detail over here. And after that I will explain parameters of HDTV, and at the end I will sum up the session by explaining the advantages of HDTV. So now let us begin the session with first agenda, that is basics of HDTV. Now see transmission of HDTV that is taking place at a 2.07 megapixels per frame. So here quality of image in video that is at 2.07 megapixel per frame. Now see how 2.07 megapixel is happening. Highest data rate in HDTV that is 1080 pixel, and if you observe standard of 4:16 to 9 ratio, in that case you will be finding standard is 1080 into 1920. So if you multiply these two, you will be finding that is 2.07 multiply by 10 to the power 6. So that is how highest data rate of HDTV is 2.07 megapixel per frame, and in short we called it like 1080p, means 1080p p data rate. P stands for progressive scanning. So here with HDTV we transmits 5 to 1 sound format, and in HDTV it has been used MPEG and video coding for compression of video, and here aspect ratio that can be 16 to 9 with HDTV, and by having HDTV it can be service of 35 movies with digital dub sound. So see, these are the basic things which is there with HDTV. It is having data rate of 2.07 megapixel per frame with video 5.1 surrounding system is being there. MPEG and video coding is being utilized. Aspect ratio is 16 to 9. Also it gives service of movies with 35 movies with digital Dolby sound system. Now let us see history which is there with HDTV. See, due to digitization, many digital techniques have been developed in television progressing, and that have raised of demand high definition television. So worldwide leader of HDTV for many years was Japan, and they have developed broadcasting system for from Tokyo, and they have used the standard of NHK Muse system. Europe has started with own project on HDTV, and that has named Eureka in 1986, and that was used in 32 countries of European region. Now what are the basic goals which is there with HDTV? The major goal with the that is improvement of the resolution. See, after basic television system advancement is started with enhanced definition television in EDTV. There was no change in resolution, but there was change in format of video, and in HDTV, that is improvement in resolution. Now in HDTV 720 as well as 1080 format is there, so that improved resolution format in HDTV. Second goal is to improve color reproduction, so more number of colors there will be finding in color television, and higher aspect ratio is there with EDTV. It have already started with improvement in aspect ratio, so it was sporting for 4 to 3 as well as 9 16 to 9, but now in HDTV aspect ratio having increased, and that is 16 to 9. And the major fourth goal, that is to have stereophonic sound system. So in HDTV we will be finding it can be even gives signal to sound, which with 5.1 surrounding sound system, so that was missing with previous system of EDTV as well as normal basic system. So HDTV gives improved resolution, color reproduction, higher aspect ratio as well as stereophonic sound with 5.1 surrounded sound system. Now the development of HDTV, see Japan have initiated with the standard that was having 1125 number scanning lines per frame initially with 60 fields per second, and also that was having 2 to 1 interlace scanning with aspect ratio of 16 to 9, and that have involved further, and those 1125 lines that were chosen initially to give vertical resolution with 9 to 5 and PAL with 625 lines, and NTSC with 525 number of lines was adopted. So you will finding with PAL system there were 625 lines. Now with basic standard adopted by Japan, there was 1125 number of scanning line, so number of line almost doubled compared to previous system. So television and that was giving high resolution, so that was done by 9 to 5 as well as 15 to 7, and Eureka has done that high definition television standards with 1249 number of scanning lines, and that one can say almost double of PAL system, and that is more the double of NTSC system. Now NHK Muse system that was used in Japan. So what is Muse? Muse means multiple subcarrier Nyquist sampling and coding, and that was adopted by NHK in Japan, and that is having bandwidth compression scheme. So if you observe, there were 1125 number of lines with interlace scanning of 60 hertz, so optimal aspect ratio that was 5 to 3, and viewing distance was 3.3 height, and if you observe uncompressed luminance bandwidth, then that is 20 megahertz, and uncompressed chrominance bandwidth, that is 7 megahertz. And there have been change in standard with time, and upgradation was being done but the bandwidth 20 megahertz and 7 megahertz that have been uncompressed and that is forwarded on a signal channel with 10 megahertz. And even with respect to time, there was upgradation. So you will be finding nowadays we are using this 1080 progressive scanning type format, and that have came from this only 1125, so is bit nearer to 1080, and that is what we are giving it to HDTV by using this DBS system. And Japan have rejected this VSB signal, and they have always used this system which is there with Muse. So that is how the basic history was there with Japan with NHK Muse system for HDTV. Now let us have basic parameters which is there with HDTV. See resolution, you can see 720p progressive, 1080p progressive, as well as 1080i interlace resolution is there, but later on this 1080i that have been rejected, and these two resolutions 720p and 1080p that have been adopted by HDTV. Aspect ratio is 16 to 9 pixels per frame. You can see with 4 to 3 standard, 1280 multiplied by 720 pixel is being there, while for 16 to 9 standard 1920 multiplied by 1080 that is there. So you can calculate even how much megapixel resolution is being there with one image per frame. And type of scanning, so initially there was interlace scanning by Japan, but later on interlace have been rejected and there was only progressive scanning. Now let us discuss few advantages of HDTV. See, reduced ghosts image is being there. It has flicker reduction, even you will be finding high reduction of picture by HDTV. Slow motion action is even produced, even provided with HDTV. Reduced operational instability is being there with HDTV, and improved reception of Frinks area that one can find. So this is all about HDTV.